this product. It's the newest product around. You can buy it for $99.99. You can buy it for $99.99. Plus $100 shipping and handling.
You're not responsible for the association drink.
Why don't we take a look at our satisfied customers?
I got lost. I put 3 hours. Shut it up. I put 2 days on.
Those customers just look fantastic. Now,
They'll be on Broadway.